Hadian ka jingkhalam ka EC kabayalamda ka UDP ha KHADC, Deputy Chief Minister ka Jilla ba Prestone tensong ulaong ka jingkhalam ka EC, ka kam ha council ka yad la ka jong ka linti, bat ka shong ha ka mon jong ki MDC kibasha jiet ban kylliang ya nongialam. Ha kabayaday pat ka sinchar khadar ha Jilla ulaong, ba kamdan kano ka jingkala bat kidang yatray lang bat baro ki sengsan perthai badan bat ka MDA 2. Ulaong ba kamdan kano ka jingte jingkhom bat unu ne kano ka sengsan perthai kala banyatray lang bat kano ka kanhon ha council.
It's totally different institution altogether if you talk about assembly and about this council. So this council, as you are aware, number one is we can call it partyless organization where anybody can go anywhere, where anyone can join anywhere. So I think that question does not arise at all as far as assembly level is concerned. I'm not an MDC, I don't know much. I like you. Yes, I'm a minister of DCA. DCA means I'm looking after the welfare of the Three Council. And it is not my duty to topple anybody. Okay. But for that, I think the elected members, be it Garo, be it Khasi, be it Jatia, they are the one who does that, who choose their leaders. As I said to you, nothing of that sort, because now it is purely dependable upon the elected members of the Khasis Autonomous Council. So you ask from them, I think they are the best people to tell you exactly what is the reason and why new EC has been just established today inside the house. See, as far as this council is concerned, it is a partyless organization, partyless constitutional body. So don't ask me this question because nobody even can reply on that. But the point here is, if you talk about the assembly, if you talk about the state government, we are all intact.